Uniswap, $38 billion volume, big jump in price. What's behind the rise? While many users focused on Bitcoin's prices and Ethereum's new updates, Uniswap set records with $38 billion in monthly trading volume for November 2024. Uniswap price also saw a considerable uptick. It is noteworthy that the trading volume saw a 50% jump from October's $20.32 billion, surpassing its previous record of $34 billion set just 8 months ago. But what is behind this record increase, and why should market participants and investors pay attention to it? Ethereum Layer-2 platforms take the lead. The massive growth in volume on Uniswap could be attributed to Ethereum's Layer-2 scaling solutions, which has increased efficiency and speed within decentralized trading. Apart from Uniswap, as per news and data from Dune Analytics, the decentralized exchange, DX, saw a significant portion of this surge come from platforms like Arbitrum, Base, and Polygon. Among them, Arbitrum dominated with a whopping $19.5 billion, greater than half of Uniswap's overall volume for the month. Base, a project backed by Coinbase, generated $9.19 billion, while Polygon generated $4.33 billion. Combined, these Ethereum Layer-2 solutions allowed for faster and cheaper transactions. For context, high gas fees and slow transactions are persistent issues undermining DeFi utilization on Ethereum's mainnet. It is worth noting that the success of these Layer-2 platforms is not merely a fad or a novel phenomenon. It suggests a broader trend towards scaling solutions that can accommodate the increasing needs of the decentralized finance market. As Ethereum gas fees are unpredictable and sometimes too high, these solutions allow traders to find cheaper and faster ways to trade. This increases the volume on Uniswap. A big jump for Uniswap token price. In parallel with this trading volume surge, Uniswap's native token Uni has also gained traction. Uniswap, Uni, price is up around 85% over the past 2 weeks, following the broader crypto market rally. This uptick helped boost Uni's market cap to $9.8 billion, placing it in the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Over the past 24 hours alone, Uni surged by nearly 10%, reaching a trading price of $12.84, a remarkable recovery for a token that has seen significant volatility over the past year. The rising Uniswap, Uni, price is a clear reflection of investor confidence, not just in the token itself, but also in the continued growth of Uniswap as a decentralized exchange. As trading volumes continue to soar, demand for Uni may continue to rise, benefiting token holders in the process. Rise of DeFi activity. Apart from this Uniswap news, these above-mentioned numbers also correlate with a revived interest in decentralized finance, DeFi. While regulatory crackdowns and market volatility have threatened the industry in the past year, decentralized finance has proved its staying power. Rising trading volume indicates people are using decentralized exchanges, DXs, to make transactions due to the lower costs and greater anonymity. Moreover, this revival of DeFi usage is consistent with institutions showing more momentum behind Ethereum and Layer-2 technologies. Punters and dealers are beginning to appreciate the economy of Layer-2 solutions in Ethereum. This has boosted the trading volume of Uniswap. From an array of views, the Uniswap news of $38 billion November volume is not just a record. It's a message that the DX is experiencing the experimentation and expansion of Layer-2 and the continuous transformation of DeFi. Ethereum's Layer-2 platforms, that have recently processed more transactions have only entrenched Uniswap as the market leader in decentralized exchange services.